For 1985, the proven Chevrolet 7-point selling system remains a great one-on-one sales technique for presenting Monte Carlo's many features and benefits to your prospects, including important new product features and improvements. Briefly, here's what's new for 85. There's a new standard 4.3-liter V6 featuring electronic fuel injection with twin throttle body injectors, an optional 5-liter V8 with electronic spark control, new Monte Carlo SS exterior styling refinements, as well as the availability of glass roof panels for SS. I'll discuss these in detail during the walk-around. So let's begin with marketing strategy and position Monte Carlo in the Chevrolet lineup. The midsize Monte Carlo combines the comfort and quiet ride of a 6-passenger luxury car with the sophisticated styling and performance characteristics of a sporty car. You can offer your prospect two choices, the elegant sport coupe or the high-spirited, performance-oriented SS. Monte Carlo buyers cite overall styling, ride, and comfort, as well as dependability and durability as the top reasons to buy. Use this information to help you qualify your prospect. Now, move your prospect to step 2, styling. Point out that Monte Carlo's eye-pleasing classic shape embodies the essence of grand touring, with a proven 15-year heritage of distinctive formal style. Our showroom model's equipped with optional wire wheel covers and white striped tires to complement its elegant appearance. And there's a choice of 12 colors, 9 brand new for a crisp, fresh look. Each has a deep, rich top coat for a quality paint finish. Next, discuss Monte Carlo's Powerteam and chassis features with your prospect. Big news for 1985 is the brand new 4.3-liter V6 standard engine. This larger engine delivers greater horsepower and more torque than last year's 3.8-liter V6. The new 4.3-liter V6 also features computer-controlled electronic fuel injection, which replaces a conventional carburetor. It precisely injects fuel through twin throttle body injectors into the engine for great fuel efficiency and smooth operation. And from GM Delco, the world's largest producer of computers, there is computer command control. Located behind the rear wall of the engine compartment, this sophisticated brain makes a minimum of 80 air-fuel adjustments per second, fine-tuning the engine for remarkable fuel efficiency. For more power and performance, there's an improved 5-liter V8 engine. It features a higher compression ratio, improved exhaust flow, and the addition of electronic spark control to help control knock conditions. Both engines feature a standard automatic 3-speed transmission for driving ease, as well as an optional automatic 4-speed with overdrive, which reduces engine RPM for greater fuel economy at cruising speeds. What's more, Monte Carlo's smooth ride and handling are engineered in with computer-matched coil springs and tuned shock absorbers at each wheel. 14 rubber cushion mounts between the full frame and the body help further isolate passengers from road vibration. Explain to your prospect that Monte Carlo's standard power steering aids driving ease, while standard power front disc and rear drum brakes combine for smooth stops. With standard 14-inch steel-belted radials. They feature all-season tread design for sure traction in sun or snow. The fourth step is room and comfort. Have your prospect sit inside. Then explain that unlike some sporty mid-sized cars which hold only 4 to 5 passengers, Monte Carlo offers standard seating for 6. The standard full-foam notchback front bench seat features a fold-down center armrest and sports a new for 85 cloth trim. Carpeting on the floor and lower door panels not only looks good, but also helps eliminate road noise. A color-keyed instrument panel provides an easy-to-read speedometer, fuel gauge, and warning lights. Monte Carlo also offers an optional 55-45 split front seat with individual adjustments for both driver and passenger. It's available with the base interior trim or in custom cloth with a plush fixed pillow design as part of the luxurious CL interior option that includes additional sound insulation behind the one-piece headliner, behind the instrument panel, and under the rear seat. Next, move your prospect to the rear of the car. Point out that Monte Carlo's spacious trunk with compact spare and wide flat load floor provides over 16 cubic feet of usable space, ideal for all kinds of loads. Now, move your prospect to the price label. Use the label to summarize Monte Carlo's many features and benefits, including standard features not presented so far. Then point up the EPA fuel economy estimate for the Powerteam that's on the car. And be sure to explain the new 1985 EPA rating system. Also use the price label for presenting the options on the car, as well as discussing the double play value option program. And don't forget to mention other available options which may not be on the car, like an adjustable 55-45 power driver's seat, a variety of GM Delco sound systems. And here's a Monte Carlo model option that delivers all-out performance character, the 1985 Monte Carlo SS. Inspired by last year's specially modified NASCAR winner of 15 out of 30 Grand National races, the car that captured the NASCAR manufacturer's 1983 Cup for Chevrolet. Monte Carlo SS features a spirited high-output 5-liter V8 with a standard 4-speed automatic overdrive, new for 1985. Be sure to point out the specific aerodynamically styled one-piece front fascia, special new SS exterior with sporty striping and decal, a choice of 4 distinctive body colors, and functional rear spoiler. Monte Carlo SS also comes with a renowned sports suspension, including a larger front stabilizer bar and stiffer rear shock absorbers for flat cornering. And Goodyear Eagle GT steel-belted radial ply tires mounted on 15 by 7-inch rally wheels for road gripping traction. Inside, there's a sporty gauge package with tachometer, special red seats and door trim, plus optional front bucket seats and a floor console. And new for 1985, SS offers optional removable glass roof panels for an open-air ride. Now talk quality with your prospect. Point out the specially treated steels used to fight corrosion in key areas such as door panels, outer fenders, and cowl. Explain to your prospect that Chevrolet backs Monte Carlo quality with limited warranty protection. And be sure to discuss the available General Motors protection plan. Then, to get the most out of your 7-point walk-around, it is essential that you take your customer for a demonstration drive. It lets your prospect experience on the road Monte Carlo's major features and benefits and helps you close the sale. So follow every 7-point selling system presentation with a demonstration drive. It could pay off in more commissions for you.